Annabel woke up. She rubbed her eyes, then quickly got dressed and went down to the beach at Sandridge. There she saw a ship full of all kinds of cargo coming into port. She thought she could almost smell the cranberry, chocolate, peanut. Remember, this is a lockdown, and Annabel is a very sophisticated young lady. So she thought of the fudge and the other goodies that she knew those containers would be full of. There'd be loads of it. Down at Pier 35 now, she watched as the ship Lumayan came in. She watched and she wondered if she could ever get some of those wonderful things. But she thought, I don't know anybody on those big ships. Then Annabel had an idea. She was so excited she almost fell off the wharf. Annabel remembered that her friend Jimmy's father was a tugboat captain. And the tugboat was Switzer of Otway, and there it was in front of her. Annabel rubbed her eyes again, and then woke up. It was all a dream. But what was this beside her bed? It truly was a lovely dream.